Hi, it's me, Miss Angie. How are you? And thank you for joining me. Today I have a book that we're going to read together. This is called Easter Surprise, and it's by Pretty Books. What do you think this book is about? Do you think it's about visiting animals at the zoo?
No.
No. Do you think it's about visiting our new school?
No.
No. Do you think it's about Easter and Easter eggs?
Yes.
Yes. Let's read it together and find out more. Easter Surprise. Ready, steady, gentle crack. Noisy duckling, quack, quack, quack. It's a duckling making some noisy sounds. Can you quack like a duck?
Quack, quack, quack.
Good job, quack, quack, quack. Pull and pull until you stop. Easter bunny, hop, hop, hop. Stop and hop. Rhyming words. There's the bunny. Let's close it up. Open up. What's inside? Little lamb trying to hide. Hide inside. More rhyming words. And there's the lamb inside of the Easter egg. I wonder who is hiding here. It's our friend, the baby deer. Here's the baby deer hiding, and inside the egg also. Open up and take a peep. Fluffy chick, cheep, 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 and peep. More rhyming words. And this chick is in the Easter egg. We are all here. Where are you? Easter surprise, you're here too. Two and you. More rhyming words. And it's a mirror to see yourself inside. The end. Thank you for reading it with me. What was your favorite part of the book? Was it the duckling at the beginning, or the bunny that was inside of the Easter egg? Or maybe your favorite was the lamb or the deer? Or maybe your favorite was the chick that was inside the Easter egg? Or maybe at the very end when it was you in the mirror? Those were all good parts of the book. Today, for our activity, we're going to create our very own Easter eggs. We're going to decorate them using our Egg-mazing egg decorator. And this is created by Hey Buddy Pal Investments. So what we do is we grab our egg, we put it in here and turn it on to decorate it with our colored markers. Are you ready? Let's do it together. Okay. Can you say, I need an egg for my egg maker?
I need an egg for my egg maker.
Good job. And we put it in the egg maker. Okay, let's start with color pink. Can you say, I want to color the egg pink?
I want to color the egg pink.
Good job. And we'll turn it on and you'll hear a buzzing sound. That's when it's spinning, and we'll decorate it. Let's get this pink and one more pink. Okay, here we go. It's gonna get loud. Then we can turn it off and see how our egg turned out. Do you see this one? It's pink. Okay, let's add some more color to another egg. Okay, can you see? I need one more egg, please.
I need one more egg, please.
Good job. And we'll put it right up here. You can use real boiled eggs or these are play eggs. Okay, let's see. Let's do the color purple and green. Can you say, I need purple and green to color my egg?
I need purple and green to color my
Good job.
egg.
And we'll turn it on. Remember, it might get loud. But here we go. Okay, here's our finished egg. It's green and purple. Good job. Thank you for helping me. Let's do another one. Can you say, I need another egg, please?
I need another egg, please.
Good job. And we'll put it right there. Okay, this time, let's use the color blue and orange. Can you say, I want to color my egg blue and orange?
I want to color my egg blue and orange.
Good job. Now let's turn it on. Remember, it might get loud. Here we go. Let's take a look at our finished egg. It's blue and orange. Thank you for helping me. Let's keep going. We have 3 more. Okay, can you say, I need another egg, please?
I need another egg, please.
Good job. And we'll put the egg in here. This time, let's use the color red and blue. Can you say, I need red and blue color to paint my egg?
I need red and blue color to paint my egg.
Good job. Okay, let's turn it on. Remember, it gets loud, but let's get ready. Thank you for helping me. Here's our blue and red egg. Okay, we have 2 more. Can you say, I need 1 more egg, please?
I need 1 more egg, please.
Good job. And we'll put it right here. Let's color this one color. We'll call this green. Can you say, I need the color green, please?
I need the color green, please.
Good job. Now let's turn it on. Okay, let's see. I added some blue to make it stand out. Thank you for helping me. We have 1 more. Can you say, our last egg, please?
Our last egg, please.
Good job. And we'll put it in the egg painter. Okay, let's do the color brown and the color pink. Can you say, I need brown and pink for my last egg?
I need brown and pink for my
Good
last
job.
egg.
Now let's turn it on. Remember, it gets loud. Good job! We did it together. A pink and brown egg. Let's count how many eggs we made. Here they are. Uh-oh, 1 fell down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 eggs are decorated. Thank you for your help. And thank you for doing our activity and reading our book. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.